We are hosting our 4th annual car show for charity. All proceeds are going to the North Shore Cancer Walk. This is our 4th year in a row. We've been raising about $1,000 a year to different charities. First year was for the Boys and Girls Club of Lynn, MS Society, and this is our 2nd year with the Cancer Society. The Order of AHEPA was founded in the 20s in Atlanta, Georgia. It was set up to help the immigrants coming in from Greece. They were being persecuted by the KKK, and one way to fight bigotry and racism is with education. So the Greeks that were already here established the Order of AHEPA and helped educate the new Greeks coming in and start up businesses and get established in the community.
Once or twice a year we do functions for charity. So today's charity, of course, is the American Cancer Society. So usually when we do this car show every year, it is for a charitable due to a sickness like MS. We've done MS, we've done American Cancer Society. We did the Boys and Girls Club here of Lynn. So we try to do some outreach and that has an impact on our local Lynn and North Shore community.
We've had cars from the 1920s all the way up to 2016. We go to different car shows to give them flyers and let them know that we're doing this. And these guys at the car shows, they are great. They love bringing their cars to show them off, and at the same time they help these charities.
The criteria really in most car shows is really preparation. You know, how clean they actually overall it is, the details. You know what, we're really not judging for, you know, accuracy to, you know, OEM specs, but mostly the preparation of the show. You know, even down to, you know, do they clean the rims, say, so to speak? Did they leave something on the carpet? But it's a criteria. It's like a 5-point criteria. We have people that come from all different towns. It kind of puts, you know, this little church on the map, so to speak, in, you know, the city of Lynn. And I feel that that's very important. I mean, Lynn's up and coming, and this just to show there's a lot of good things coming out of Lynn, and this is one of them, one of many.
My name is Heidi, and this is Emma. And we came here today with Emma's dad's Ford Galaxy 500. And we love to come to car shows and see all the different artistic, beautiful cars that are out. And it's a beautiful day for it today.
I just like coming to look at all the older cars, to meet people that have nostalgia for old cars, and like hanging around with all my old gearhead friends. It shows that there are people that are interested in old cars and sharing their cars with everybody else, and also it's a good fundraiser for the different things that they do here.
I like to get out to car shows, especially ones that are benefit a good cause. It's always a nice way to relax on the weekend. I think it gets people out and about, gets to see different parts of the city, different parts of the community, and especially when you have such a nice group of cars like those over there, people really can see something and get happy.
Our organization is set up for education, but it's also set up for community. So this is one way of just giving back to the community.